Good morning, traders. This is September 9th, 6:33 a.m. Unfortunately, I walked to my desk a little late today. I was planning on doing my opening a little bit before the open, right? Like 2, 3 minutes before, but I was brushing my hair and I don't know, somehow that turned too long, I suppose. But here I am, 3 minutes later. But I rushed in, I jumped in, and in that small period of time, I managed to make some trades. I started at 6:30. Here I'm making 10 bucks, 84 bucks. Wait, was that? No, that's 2 days ago. Look at that. Wrong. Today. Here we go. Here I am. So let's see. I started out by making 133, then I made 99. Like a couple of seconds later. A couple of seconds later, I made 52. A couple of seconds later, I made 71. A couple of seconds later, I made $3, and then I made 62. So right now, I'm trying to figure out what my next step is going to be. I'm considering maybe going long today. I'm just trying to find a good price point. I sort of think I like a 70 if it happens. It looks like it could pull back to that number, but we'll see. It's kind of hovering around. I know today there's going to be like this major correction that's going to be announced at 7 a.m. So another idea is just to wait till after 7 a.m. Okay, let me see if I can get in at 70 right here. There we go, I'm in. To get in at 7 a.m. and then get out, right? Let's see what this does. Oh, look at that. It's pushing a little lower. I'm just trying to get out with a tiny bit of money. Yeah. Let's see. It's probably a good amount to get out at. There we go. 40, what is that? $43 more. So right now, my account is up. Where is it? Maybe here. Oh, here we go. $464. But I'm not trading. I don't know what happened to the data. I'm not trading this September month anymore. I'm now trading the December month. Who knows what happened to my data on September? I don't know. I'm gonna call him and ask him because, but it's okay. Luckily, there was a December contract that I could jump on, and then I can, make some money on. So right now we're account balance 13,264. I closed yesterday at 12,800. So that's where these extra $464 come from. That's now been 7 minutes into the trading day. It's not bad, right? I just have to. I think I'm gonna wait because again, there's a big news is gonna drop soon. Unless this thing does a really big pullback, like before the drop of the news, right? Let's say it does like this big pullback, and I'm talking about. I would like to see maybe a 40-point pullback, maybe a 60-point pullback. Then I'll consider going long. Right now, $464 in 7 minutes seems pretty good. I think a lot of people would be happy with that. So I will just wait. The only thing that I can say about this is that I now have $464 that I can use to defend myself against the market moves. So let's say I'm wrong, right? So I have to be wrong 46.4 points because I'm trading at 5 contracts a trade now. I'm trading at 5 contracts per transaction. So that means that I get $10 a point. That means that this is the equivalent to making 46.4 points. 46.4. So if I start losing my money, it's gonna have to go down 46 more points from this level so that it can take it away from me. Let's say I go long right here, right? So that's how I do the math. I'm like, okay, what's my buffer look like? My buffer looks like I can take a risk because I can play with the house's money. You know, if this were a casino, that's talk that you would do, like the house's money. So I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna wait. Let's see what I think. It's good to say. It's good to wait and see what 7 o'clock brings. I feel like 7 o'clock is going to bring an explosive movement upward. I think the market's going to be really happy, really excited about the revision of the numbers, and then this is going to like just skyrocket. But it didn't like them the last time because it was, I think the numbers looked like 22,000, and the market took a nosedive after it opened really strongly, and it was signaling like stagflation. I think that's what it's called. And but they're anticipating like interest rates that are going to get cut soon. And so that, you know, it's like this magic potion that they're working on, right? I don't know what their little hocus pocus is going to lead to. But let's find out. For now, oh, look at that. I like 62. Hold on, let me get some of this action right here. There we go. I like that number. I like it so I can get out at like 65, 66. Let's see where it pushes off to. Okay, there it is. I got it, 66. And so now I made another, what is that? 46 bucks, right? Now I'm at $511. So, and I could have made 10 points, but it's okay. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait a little bit, like I keep saying. But right now I have 51.1 points in my advantage that I can use to trade towards a higher profitability or to lose it, right? So now they're gonna have to take away 500 bucks away from me to drag me into where I don't make money today. But according to the numbers, I am now up. Oh boy, it went away. But on a percentage scale for today, oh, look at that. Yeah, the market's pushing down. Market's pushing down. I think I think we're gonna have a weak number that's gonna pop up. It's gonna weaken the numbers. Well, this is a good thing for me. I'm hoping that this right here drops to negative so that I can ride it up a little bit. So let me stop talking. Let me pause for a bit. I'm gonna continue to wait. All right, traders, I can't keep my hands off this juicy trade that I found. So I made another $87. By the way, I'm not a professional, just a hobbyist. This is not trading advice. I'm not advocating anyone to trade. If you guys trade at your own risk. Okay, so I did make a trade that didn't work out. I lost $53. A big number is going to come out soon in about a minute and a half. We'll see where market's going to go. I have no idea if it's going to go up or down, right? But we'll find out in 1 minute. I'll try to put it on live a second before so that we can see the market movement. Okay, so we have about a minute left. I think I'm gonna take a gamble. I'm gonna get in around this price. Let's see what happens. 20 seconds left. It could dump really fast. Okay, here we go. Let's see. 10 seconds left. The movement's gonna be really quick. Okay. All right, we're okay so far. Looks like it's going up. Maybe. Okay. It's going a little higher. Okay, the good thing is that we are in a profitable position. I'm not sure if it's gonna pull back or not. It looks like it. Oh, there's our break even. Just went below it a little bit. Uh, oh yeah. Okay, so the market is not liking those numbers. Let's see. But could bounce back. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, it's bouncing back a bit. Did do a pullback. It takes a minute for the traders to decide if they like what they see or not. But the market right now, the market changes minus +1, -1, +3. Looks like the market is not really liking these numbers. I just have to figure out if I want to get out or hold on to it. I feel like I'm in a decent position to move upward. We have 5 contracts. Where is it? Oh, this says 0, but it's because it's the wrong month. I'll try and put up an accurate chart of what's really going on with my account, but I'm 5 long. Let's see if I can pull it up right now. Okay, there we go. This one shows it. Long 5. Market is sort of holding. If you ask me, is sort of holding. It's not really breaking down. Oh, but looks like I could be wrong. It's not really like destroying me. If you ask me. Let's see. I still have $354, $330 in my positive account because I made some money earlier. The market is down 6 points. This could very quickly reverse itself upward. Right now, the way it's showing is showing that it's market weakness. But again, they're still looking at the numbers. Okay, look, see? That's not good. It just moved down fast. Oh, actually, it's kind of holding steady again. It's giving me an impression that it's going to bounce up. So I'm maybe in the right position holding my position right now. Maybe. If not, I'll get out. I still have $300 in my profit, so I'm not really too worried. That's the buffer that I'm using, as I said. So I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna wait and see what it potentially does, and I'll return back in a bit. To me, this is like holding steady, kind of, and actually looks like it could go up. Okay, now it looks like the market. Well, look, it's positive now. It's +6. I got in at 24,045. I think that's the one we should reference. What is going on with this thing? Oh, there you go. 24,0. It's actually 42. So I'm only like 3 points away from where I was, where I had bought. Let's see. So this number should probably be different, but you see the difference: unrealized 140, realized 545. But I think it's actually, let's check something out real quick. See if we can change that. There we go. I'm only down $100. That's not bad. That's actually really good, considering like the risk that I'm trying to take. Down -3. It moved down into negative territory again, but it's like hovering near that change. Wait, I'm starting to think a little different. So that happens in trading a lot. You just keep getting flooded with what to do questions in your head. I still have $366 that I can work with, so I'm not gonna rush out yet. So I'm gonna pause it, wait a minute. Okay, so it's pushing higher. I'm now up $100 on the same position. I haven't sold it. I bought it at 24,045. Right now the market is at 24,051. So I'm actually now profitable again. Um, I'm up $61 more. And so now that that's been established, I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna let it sit there and see how far it can go, because now the market is up 22 points and I have $636, right? This is from the unrealized position that I'm holding. 61 extra dollars, but I already completed 500. I have $545 in a position that I closed out. And so, but the market is only up 17, 18 points. I think there's a huge range of growth left in it. Maybe it can go up to like plus 80, so that's like an extra $600. So 600 plus that, I don't know, it's like a $1,200 change, right? Plus 26, and you never know, it could go even higher than that. So right now I'm positioned really well. Let me see how much it would cost to buy the 6th contract. Let's find out. So according to this worksheet, it says you only have 13,400, and you would need $14,271 to buy the 6 contracts. So right here, my current position is 5 contracts. I have $13,484. If I want to add one more, I need, so they can turn into 6, I would need to exceed $14,271. So I don't have that money. I only have, what am I, how much am I short? So let's see, 13, like 800 bucks, maybe $700. It's okay. I'm not itching to get into that position. What I do know is that I'm now up $800, and it's been 40 minutes of trading. So right now it's 7:10, and again, I think this thing is going to go. Now I'm convinced it's going to go higher. Like it cleared this area right here where it was kind of signaling like we're going to go lower, but now we're up 45 points, and let's see if I can update this so I can show you. Okay, so my current position is now grown $300 extra. So that's what 300 plus 500, 800. It says that I'm up $891. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'm going to keep holding. I'm going to step away for a while. It's probably going to be like 6 hours that I'll be stepping away, but I'm going to leave this on pause so I can come back and do an end of day review. Let's see how the market closes. But as of right now, I'm just going to hold it. I think my exit should just be where I bought it at. It should just be at 24,045, which is 20. Let's find out. Let's mark this. 24,045 right there. This should be where I exit. And right now the market is up there. So it's moved this much. What is it, like 40 points? But anyways, we have a 40-point gain. The market has to pull back 40 points so that it can go back into what I previously had before, like this news drop. But I have a feeling it can go higher. So that's it. Talk to you guys later. Okay, so I just wanted to wrap up the video. The current gain for the day. Let's see. So I made $1,071. I finally found I don't know how I got lost, but the other contract is here, 275 on that contract. And then in the December contract, I made, well, it doesn't even say it. It was saying it a bit ago. $796. So basically added up to 1,000 some change. Boy, this thing is not my friend right now. So $796. So I made 796 on the December contract and 275 on the current contract for a grand total of $1,071. This is my trade log. Looks, I made 66 bucks in my last trade, but I did lose 38. And then basically this is it. It's mostly gains. As you can tell, I lost twice. I lost on this trade and on this trade. The market actually went much higher. I should have made, if I would have held, I could have made an extra $500, I think, because I sold at 23,852. And right now we're at 23,911, so it's like 60 points higher. But my 1,000 points, $1,000 translates into 100 points, 107.1 points, because I'm earning $5 a point, $10 a point, I apologize, $10 a point. So you divide that by 1,000, so you get 107.1. And that money can be used tomorrow for trading. So current balance 13,871. I believe that on a percentage scale, I think I almost made 8% today. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I was outside, that's why I'm wearing my sunglasses. Calling it a day. Thanks.